Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find and open an app called Files. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it in Storage pop-up. Over here. Lastly, just click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!